Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create a bug in Jira. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To begin, the first thing you'll need to do is log into your Jira account. Once you're in, take a moment to navigate to the specific project where you want this bug to be logged. Next, within the project interface, look for the button labeled Create or sometimes plus Create Issue. Clicking this will initiate the process of creating a new issue. This button is usually displayed towards the top of your dashboard. Once you initiate the creation of a new issue, a drop-down menu will appear. Here, you'll need to select Bug or a similar option that corresponds to the bug issue type in your project. This step is particularly important because it categorizes the issue properly, alerting your team right away that it needs immediate attention. After selecting Bug, you'll be presented with a form where you'll fill out the details of the issue. Start by providing a summary, which essentially serves as the title of your bug report. Moving on to the description, this is the centerpiece of your bug report. Be as detailed as possible here. Explain what the bug is, provide step-by-step instructions on how to reproduce it, and clearly describe the expected versus actual behavior. With the core information in place, it's time to examine other fields available in the form, such as assignee, priority, and components, along with any other metadata your project might require. These fields are vital for helping the team prioritize and assign the right people to resolve the issue. Make sure to fill these fields out according to your project's guidelines or standards. Once you've populated all the necessary fields, take a moment to review your inputs to ensure everything is accurate and complete. When you're satisfied, click the Create button to finalize the bug report. This action logs it into your project's workflow, ready for your team to address. And that's it. You've just created a bug issue on Jira. So that is how you can create a bug in Jira. So that's all for this video. Thanks.